916-3105.
He's won 7 different titles from 7 different weight divisions, but there is no stopping Manny Pacquiao gunning for his 8th unprecedented and unheard of 8th different weight title from different weight divisions also. And Manny Pacquiao is of course set to fight Antonio Margarito November 13th in Texas, and we're going to be finding out kung ano po ba ang mga bago sa kanya ngayon. Manny Pacquiao update right about now.
Pacquiao versus Margarito. Panoorin mo live sa November 13th sa Charter Pay-Per-View or HD Pay-Per-View. Order mo sa Charter ngayon. Tawagan ang 1-866-916-3105.
Sabado ng gabi sa Pilipinas, tutulak patungong Los Angeles si pambansang kamao Manny Pacquiao upang tapusin ang kanyang ensayo laban kay Antonio Margarito ng Mexico. Sa mga panayam, sinabi ni Pacman na 95% na ang kanyang katawan para sa nalalapit na laban kay Margarito nitong darating na ika-13 ng Nobyembre sa Dallas. Ngunit hindi ganito nagsimula ang bagong halal na congressman. Sa kanyang pasimula ng ensayo sa Elorde Gym sa Quezon City, ito ang kanyang pahayag.
Marami pa tayong dapat gawin to improve our speed and also head movement and footwork, and we also going to study and create another different strategy.
Ano yung katawan mo, yung the muscles have gone away a little?
Yes, we're going to develop that. Huwag natin piliting lumaki. Kung ano yung timbang noon, ganun pa rin, maintain lang. And then focus sa laban, sa fight. Talagang ensayo na mabuti. We practice different movement like aggressiveness and footwork, head movement, and counter punch. You have to Margarito, you have to practice hard and learn some strategy so we can create a lot of action in the ring and give a good fight.
What do you say to the fans?
Thank you to all the fans, especially God. Maraming salamat sa mahal na Panginoon sa binigay niyang lakas ng katawan sa akin sa araw-araw. Sana magtagumpay ulit tayo. We pray lang. Wala namang imposible sa Panginoon. Work hard and pray.
Pray hard.
Bahala na si Lord sa taas ng ring. Makamit din natin yung tagumpay.
Matapos ang unang 5 araw ng ensayo, ito ang naging pahayag ng trainer ni Pacquiao, si Hall of Fame trainer Freddie Roach.
But you please, Freddie, at this point, 1 week, you spent 1 week here.
Yeah, we're already up to 10 rounds in the mids, 10 hard rounds in the mids. Punching power is really, really good. His speed's coming along, and timing's getting better. Accuracy's getting a little, not 100% there yet, but it's getting better. And, not bad for a guy who hasn't been in the ring since March. I'm thrilled. I mean, the thing is that we have a great training camp, and I expect training camp to be like this the whole way through. Just a good, happy training camp, no distractions, and maybe a few, but that's common. I will open the gym up in Baguio a couple times for the fans, maybe on Saturdays, but we are going to have it closed down for the sparring and so forth, and keep our game plan to ourselves a little bit more.
Because today you were talking strategy, obvious. You were stopping, then discussing something, getting back to work.
Yeah, but we weren't mic'd today, so that was good. So when 24/7 comes, we're going to have to hush up a little bit. So we want a couple surprises for Margarita. Because that's one thing Manny will do. He will scare people. Yeah. As hard as he works, nobody works like Manny Pacquiao. Nobody.
Si Buboy Fernandez na siyang Pinoy trainer at kababata ni Pacquiao ay nagpaliwanag naman kung paano pinagsasabay ni Pacquiao ang kanyang pagka-congressman at pagiging kampyong boksingero.
Tama-tama lang kasi maganda naman kasi pinakita ng congressman natin na si Manny Pacquiao na although na kahit na iniisip natin na parang doble yung oras niya, pero kahit pa paano nabibigyan niya pa rin ng oras yung trabaho niya, yung sa training niya. And then mas masaya kami kasi pag oras ng part ng boxing, ng training, so focus lang sa boxing. Pag sa congress lang din. So na hati niya yung oras niya, pero believe kami kasi hindi pa rin nawawala sa kanya yung active niya sa ng boxing. Kumbaga hindi niya pinabayaan na kahit na nasa congressman na siya. Pero magandang training.
Abangan sa mga susunod na araw ang mas marami pang kwento tungkol sa pag-ensayo ni Pacquiao laban kay Margarito.
Pacquiao versus Margarito. Panoorin mo live sa November 13th sa Charter Pay-Per-View or HD Pay-Per-View. Order mo sa Charter ngayon. Tawagan ang 1-866-916-3105.
And that's it for us here on Kababayan LA. I hope you're walking away from the show today feeling more proud that you are Filipino. Ako naman po si Janelso, ang inyong kababayan dito sa Los Angeles. Have a great weekend, everyone, and I'll see you again on Monday.
Introducing Zoom.com's new $1 service. Send up to $1,000 for $7.99. Switch now to Zoom.com for